When it comes to managing a YouTube channel, choosing the right project management software is crucial. So today, we're diving into Asana versus Trello for YouTube channel management, two of the most popular options out there. But which is best? Let's find out. First off, let's talk about ease of use. Both Asana and Trello shine here, but they do so in different ways. Trello is more visual with its simple drag and drop boards, making it perfect for creators who want something intuitive and easy to navigate. You can set up columns for content ideas, filming, editing, and publishing, and it's all pretty straightforward. But here's the catch: while it's easy, it can quickly feel a bit too simple if your needs grow. On the other hand, Asana offers more features. It's not just about moving cards around, it's about creating tasks, setting deadlines, assigning team members, and breaking everything down into subtasks. It's great if you've got a growing team or complex workflows. But next thing, it can be overwhelming if you're just starting out or managing the channel on your own. The interface has a lot going on, and there's definitely a learning curve. Next thing to consider is team collaboration. As YouTube channels grow, collaboration becomes more important. With Trello, you can easily add team members and assign them to tasks. It's simple and effective for small teams or solo creators. However, when you need to have detailed conversations about tasks or content, it can feel limiting. There's no real built-in messaging or comment threading like you'd find in Asana. In contrast, Asana shines here with its ability to comment on tasks, attach files, and communicate directly within the platform. This can be a game changer if you have a team that needs to collaborate frequently. But here's the problem: Asana's messaging system isn't as clean as some might like. It's functional, but doesn't have that sleek, streamlined feel that some other tools provide. The fourth thing to talk about is task management and automation. If you want to automate some of your YouTube content processes, Asana offers better capabilities in this area. You can set recurring tasks, automate notifications, and even create workflows that make sure things don't fall through the cracks. If your YouTube channel is active, you might find this helpful. Trello, while capable of automating some tasks through power-ups, falls behind when compared to Asana's native automation features. Now, pricing. Trello offers a free plan with plenty of functionality, and for smaller creators, that might be all you need. The paid plans are reasonably priced and scale as your needs grow. Asana offers a free plan too, but its premium features, which unlock some of its best tools like timeline views, advanced search, and reporting, are locked behind a paid plan. That's something to keep in mind if you're looking for more than just the basics. The last thing to consider is integration with other tools. As YouTube creators, you likely use a variety of other software like Google Drive, Dropbox, or even tools like Slack and Zoom. Both Asana and Trello integrate with these, but Asana provides more powerful integration options. It works well with a broader range of apps and can even link up with tools like Adobe Creative Cloud and others that are relevant to creators. After trying both Asana and Trello myself, I can say that they are both solid options for YouTube channel management. But here's the catch: neither is perfect for creators looking for something that streamlines their process even further. So, if you want an alternative that takes the best of both worlds, I recommend checking out the free trial of the software I've linked in the description. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits only available to viewers like you. Trust me, after trying all these tools myself, this alternative is what truly works best for YouTube channel management, and it's worth giving a shot. Make sure to click the first link in the description to see for yourself.